Running a small business means wearing many hats. But what if one of those hats didn't have to feel so heavy? Meet Email Marketing Inbox, your go-to guide for effortless, impactful email marketing. Email marketing isn't just about sending messages. It's about building meaningful relationships with your audience. It involves crafting personalized content that resonates with your recipients and encourages them to engage with your brand. By doing so, you can turn potential leads into loyal customers who trust and value your business. This process requires a strategic approach, where every email is an opportunity to connect and build trust. With the right tools, you can not only connect with your audience but also increase engagement significantly. Monitoring and analyzing your email campaigns allows you to understand what works best, helping you refine your strategies for better results. At Email Marketing Inbox, we make this easy by bringing the best email marketing platforms and strategies to your fingertips. Our solutions are designed to help you create impactful campaigns, track their performance, and ultimately, watch your business grow exponentially. Tools like Zero Bounce ensure your emails land in the inbox, not the spam folder. Zero Bounce offers advanced email validation services that help you maintain a clean email list, reducing bounce rates and improving overall deliverability. By using Zero Bounce, you can be confident that your messages reach your audience, enhancing your email marketing effectiveness. ActiveCampaign takes automation to the next level, creating personalized workflows that save you time and effort. With its robust features, you can design complex automation sequences that cater to individual customer journeys, ensuring each interaction is meaningful and relevant. This not only boosts engagement, but also drives conversions and customer loyalty. And with platforms like Getresponse, which streamlines your marketing with powerful tools for email campaigns, automation, and landing pages, its user-friendly platform allows you to create targeted workflows, segment audiences, and optimize customer journeys with ease. Boost engagement, improve ROI, and grow your business effortlessly. Struggling to grow your email list? Tools like Snob.io and Instantly.ai make lead generation simple, giving you the power to connect with more potential customers and turn them into paying ones. The result? Higher open rates, stronger customer relationships, and most importantly, real growth for your business. At Email Marketing Inbox, we've done the research so you don't have to. Our team has meticulously analyzed countless tools and strategies to bring you the best recommendations. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your operations, we understand the unique challenges you face. From setting up your first campaign to optimizing your existing strategies, our curated list of tools and expert guidance will help you maximize your email marketing results. With our support, you can focus on what you do best, growing your business, while we provide the insights and tools you need to succeed. Don't let email marketing feel like a challenge. Make it your secret weapon. Visit Email Marketing Inbox today and start transforming your business, one email at a time.